Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you guys? I hope you all are fine and doing very good in your life. Back again with a new video, new styles and new ideas. In this video guys, I'm going to show you different amazing, latest and unique ideas. Super gorgeous, perfect and latest designs of amazing haircut. Pixie haircut ideas, short haircut styles, very lovely, trendy and amazing designs and beautiful pattern. Hope you guys enjoy these amazing ideas and designs. Hope you guys enjoy this lovely pattern and unique ideas of gorgeous haircut. So these gorgeous, pretty and unique ideas and designs are so lovely. Looking very nice, looking very pretty, looking very gorgeous. And I hope you guys enjoy this amazing video. Hope you guys enjoy this amazing, latest and beautiful ideas and style. This gorgeous, unique, trendy and amazing pattern are so lovely and haircut and short haircut ideas and style. These beautiful haircut ideas are so good. We all are following trend. We all are following fashion. If you love follow trend, if you love follow fashion, let's talk about today's trendy fashion about new haircut. Short haircut ideas, pixie haircut styles, bob haircut designs. Different type of amazing and gorgeous haircut and dye hairs are today's trendy fashion. If you love follow trend, if you love follow fashion, you will cut your hairs, you will color your hairs into different styles and different ideas. I hope you guys enjoy this amazing video and beautiful designs and gorgeous styles. I hope you guys enjoy this pretty, perfect and unique designs and new pattern. And this type of lovely, gorgeous and unique ideas and styles are so cool and so trendy, looking so beautiful, looking so elegant and unique. Thank you so much guys. Thank you so much for watching my all new ideas and all new pattern. If you like these amazing designs, if you like these amazing, perfect and unique ideas and style, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I hope you guys enjoy this perfect, latest and unique pattern and beautiful ideas and beautiful styles. This type of gorgeous, pretty and unique designs are so good and so trendy, looking very nice, looking very amazing, looking so trendy, looking so stylish. I hope you guys enjoy this amazing video and perfect design. See you soon in the next video guys. Take care, keep spotting me and do subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye bye.